Turn on the master, nav, beacon and landing lights. Then put the flaps down. At this point I want to make sure all the lights are working, so I'm gonna walk around the plane. To the left side of the wing I see my red light. Looking at the tail, see my beacon flashing and working, as well with my white light. Looking at the right side of the wing, I see my green light, it's working. Heading to the front of the plane, see my landing light working as well. Once I'm done looking at the lights, go inside the cockpit and I turn off the master, beacon, landing and navs. With my fuel stick and my fuel tester, I'll see how many gallons I have in each wing. At this point, I want to make sure I have enough fuel to fly. In this wing I have 9 gallons, so I'm good to go. And I'll do the same process in the other side of the wing. Always make sure the cap is properly closed and everything is right on place. The fuel tester can help me to determine if there is any contamination, looking for that clear blue. Also at this point I'm looking for contamination like water, dirt, bubbles. Once I'm done looking at the fuel, I will be checking the flaps, making sure everything is right in place, scanning for damage like dents, cracks. Now I will be checking the ailerons, making sure there are 4 bolts and 4 nuts, also scanning for damage. It's very important to be scanning the plane section by section. In this angle, I'll be checking if there is any screws missing. Now sliding my hand on the edge of the wing, making sure there is no damages or cracks, as well with my pitot tube. Making sure there is nothing covering the pitot tube holes. Looking for brake fluid, making sure the tires are good, no missing parts.